Just like the meme, this must have been a girl's car. On today's episode of Hauling Hoopties with Rob, we're going to pick up a 2009 Nissan Altima.
Destination is on the right.
What's up, bud? You work here? I'm looking for ACV. I'm picking up. ACV. Yeah.
Altima.
No, Nissan Altima.
Okay. ¿Todo español?
Un poco.
Wholesale.
Huh?
Wholesale.
Wholesale, yeah.
Wholesale. Morning, sir.
Okay. Yep. Am I coming in? Hey, what's up, man? How are you? Good.
See what we have in terms of pre-owned hybrids. Pre-owned what? Hybrids. He doesn't really want to see it here. He's not too thrilled about the brand new. But I think we have a Honda. I don't know. He's probably some both.
Okay. ¿Dónde está? Atrás, okay. Gracias. All right. All right. Thank you for your help, brother. Gracias.
Only is no, chinon, only, that's it. He picked out this car.
There you go. Nissan Altima.
Can I have this?
Yeah, of course.
Be in the back.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
You have a good one. Start it up. Just like the meme, this must have been a girl's car. Look at this. I don't think any dudes use these. Another Nissan Altima. Wow. Alright, we're locked and loaded. Let's get back to the Hoopty headquarters, take it for a spin, see how it runs. Alright, we're back to the Hoopty headquarters. Let's take this junk for a ride, see how it runs. Put a price on it. Alright, you know this junk, you gotta push the door handle in, because the door handle gets stuck sometimes. AC work. Check the glove box, nothing. I think I found cool AC. It's working. Alright, so we got cool AC. Training feels alright. You know, I mean, when these CVT trainings are working good, they actually make the car faster. You know that? Because for being a little 2.5, they're torquey. The CVT doesn't eat that much power like a regular transmission. Problem is, when it goes bad, you got to junk it. It feels good though. It feels real good. I can see why people like these, but they're all ragged out normally. bad so far. Feels good. We got 28 for the last one because I had low mileage. This one is $2,000 all day. What do you think? $2,000? It's got 227 on it.
It's front suspension.
Yeah. These struts, but still, we'll get $2,000 for this, no problem. And they're all chick cars, you know that? They all got that stupid steering wheel cover. Some little fruity steering wheel cover or whatever on them. And I remember I had to put like a couple quarts of oil in this junk. But got good AC. Cooled AC, that's a plus. I wouldn't mind getting another Justy like Grandpa's got. 3-cylinder with the AECVT. Because it actually used to burn rubber like crazy when you first take off. Because the car didn't weigh much. Alright, this should be a done deal.
Back in a second.
Alright, there we go. 2009 Nissan Altima, $19.99 all day. Probably be sold this weekend. Alright, like, subscribe, check out my videos, comment. Let me know what you think. Peace.